Here is output of the system that is connected to a small little metal tweezer, and there you can see power supply is at 0, and right now we are testing the variable current supply. So we have wire the positive and negative as short circuited, and let us see if we vary the potentiometer, and let us see readings on the blue digits here. That shows the current, and that is the voltage. Due to short circuit, the current actually voltage actually at 0. So let's slowly increase, and let's see how much current it actually draws. So you can see 0.1 volt and 0.3935. You can see the functionality of the variable current. So you can say I am slowly increasing, thus the voltage also increases. The variable current actually, there you can see 1.18, 1.2, 1.3, and there is a limit because the shunt resistance actually such that I need more low resistance and high power shunts. There you can see we can go up to 2.5 ampere very easily, and the 2SC 1970 something, they can handle this. Now this is getting hot, so I need to remove this. So you can see 23 volt. So that is the variable current scenario. You have also seen that, because in previous video you have seen that it didn't work, but you can see now it works. So yeah, homemade DIY power supply.